Here are some of the hottest new products out there, just waiting for you to put your creativity touch on them. Take a look at that. Wow. Here you got some 24 by 48 polished porcelain. Absolutely stunning. Some of them, they're made to look like marble. Some of them, look at that. Some of them are just really creative and clean. These you can put in your showers. They're starting to put them up vertically, and they look really clean vertical up in a shower. I could show you some before and after pictures that'll really just knock your socks off. These are some of the hottest ones here. There's a pure white polished. That's one that looked like stone there. And then you have, your typical marble look. Here you have, this is one of my favorites right there. That is absolutely stunning. That would just, oh wow, I love that last one. This is clean, that would go with the other one there. But yeah, 24 by 48, they're rectified porcelain, so you get less grout. You not only put them on the walls of the shower, you put them on the floor. Like I said, less grout, it's the new hottest thing. They're doing this so it makes the space look bigger, especially if you go with the light one. And that one there, oh, it's absolutely stunning. Here you have some porcelain planks. These are meant to look like wood, but they're porcelain. They'll last a much longer time without having to worry about scratching them. You can see how they blend the grout in with them, so you don't really notice it. Then you got another plank here. This is just a little 24 by 6 inch. Then we have some decor here. You can put in your shower. Some of those you can put on the wall, some on the floor. The honeycomb there you could put on your pan. Some of these others, there's some more you could put on the pan. You could also put them in a soap dish. Here you have some unpolished travertine stone. This looks like an ivory beige on here. Different sizes. Some of them are Versailles patterned. You can get them 12 by 12, 18 by 18, and 24 by 24. Then you got their decos here. These you could be doing deco, on the wall. You could put them in your shower. You could put them on the shower floor, what have you. But very nice looking stuff. And you butt the travertine. Here you have backsplash / wall / decorative tile. You can put it in the shower. You just can't put it on the floor. So it's glass, so you don't want to cut yourself. But these are all the new colors coming out, the linear ones. They're glass, some mixed with marble, some mixed with stone. This here is gorgeous. That's something you could put in your shower wall there. You could put that on the floor. That was just stunning. These are all decorative tile. All these here, put these on your walls. It'd make a nice wall, like instead of doing an accent wall, it'd be quite a bit more expensive to do, but it will really bring that room together and tie it in. These can be on the shower as well. They tend to range a little bit more per square foot, but you're not needing as much. So that's why it doesn't affect you as bad as if you were buying your whole house floor tile, which you usually get from the realm of $2 a square foot to $10 a square foot. Usually your mosaics are going to run in the teens, if not 30s, 40s, but that's because it's just going on a fireplace or just one wall or just you need 20 feet or just a backsplash. So that's why that is. And they come on a mesh. The mesh is a kind of it's a 12 by 12 backing, and you just install them on a 12 by 12 mesh mount back. But as you can see, there's a lot of these can go on your floor. There's your herringbone pattern. But there's just such a variety out there right now. So you can just get some really good ideas. If you zoom in, you can pause the video and zoom in on something you like there. Ask me in the comments. I can let you know how to get your hands on the product. You just see so many different items out there. It can be very challenging, which one should I choose? It's, once you get your vision and your color palette together, it's not as hard as you think. It's just a matter of bringing colors together and making one pop, you know, and bringing the colors together. That's really all it is. These are a lot of nice glass features here that you can do on your walls, along with some more mosaics, subway tile. There's a lot of different colors and choices out there today. So yeah, it can get a little overwhelming, but like I say, you start narrowing it down and it becomes quite fun actually. Once you get your main palette together, like maybe your main floor tile, then you start bringing other colors in, and before you know it, you got your own palette. So, but yeah, there's some polished in there. A lot of these are wall tile, a lot of decorative tiles. Here you got a herringbone. This is a porcelain plank made into a herringbone, which is a lot more money to do as far as for the installation. It takes a lot longer. But here's some stacked stone. These go on the fireplace here. Very gorgeous. Fireplace, or you could just do an accent wall. Another herringbone. But all I ask is if you'd be willing to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and ring that bell. And I appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you all next